Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna create these awesome background animations using shaders, which is one of the newest features of Framer. We have 4 different great looking background animations. First one is called bands and has these great gradients with tiny waves and some noise, as you see. And the second one is liquid gradient, and after some customization with colors and options, I decided on this nice dark blue and turquoise sort of silky gradient animation. And for the next one, which is called wave gradient, I decided to create these larger diagonal wavy animation with some other colors from my styles, which also turned out great, almost like some visual ASMR, right? And the last one is called rings. With this one, I wanted to create some sharper spiral look with a nice animation, again using the flexible customization options. You can find the remix link for the file in the description, which includes also a starter page, and let's get started. In the starter page, we have 4 hero stacks, just with sample text and a button. Let's add the first hero shader. I will click insert button, and under shaders I'm gonna drag bands, second one on the left, to my first hero section, and I will make its position absolute, top and left spacings 0, and its width 100%, its height viewport. I know hero content looks like a dialog box, but I guess it's okay for some sample content, right? Now we can start customizing our shader. I'll make the top color mid blue, second one light green, and the last one background. Next, I will make seed 793. I think this parameter controls the random pattern shader starts from, as mentioned in the Framer's shaders video, which you can find the link in the description for. Speed is gonna be 0.2. You can either use down and arrow buttons or dragging the slider knob, or as you know, just directly entering it, right? Ephemeral is gonna be 0.5. Scale is going to be 10, spacing 0.7, and I will make radius 0.39, and dispersion and edges is going to be 0. Let's preview. After our customization, what we have is a nice and soft background animation with a little noise on these nice gradients, right? For our second hero, I will drag liquid gradient, the first one, above hero content again, and make its position absolute, top and left spacings 0, its width is gonna be 100%, height is gonna be viewport. Then I will select its first color and make it background color. Second one is gonna be dark blue, third one is gonna be light blue. I'm gonna add one more color and make it also background. I will leave seed as 40 and speed as 0.3. Scale is gonna be 181. Amplitude is gonna be 1. And I'm gonna leave the rest as they are. Let's preview to see the actual size. I'm gonna click the button in the first hero. And we have our nice gradient animation with the liquid blue shades, right? For our third hero, I will use wave gradient one. So I'm gonna drag the second one and again make its position absolute, top and left spacings 0. Actually, let me just pan it to see the whole content. Its width 100% and height viewport. Then I'm gonna make its first color light green, second one light blue, third one dark blue, and I will remove the last one. Frequency X is gonna be 3. I will leave frequency Y as 6. Angle is gonna be 100. Amplitude 3. Softness 2. And I'll leave blend as 0.5. Let's preview, and we can see gradients and animation looking great, having the effect we're looking for, right? For our last sample hero, I will drag the rings Again, I'm gonna make its position absolute, top and left spacings 0, width 100%, and height viewport. I'm gonna make its first color light blue, second color dark blue, and the third color background. Seed is gonna be 84, speed is gonna be 0.2, spacing is also going to be 0.2, radius is gonna be 0.73, warp 2, and dispersion is gonna be 0. Let's preview, and we also have our spiral animation as we want, right? Let's view all of our hero sections. With these shaders, we can improve our hero sections easily. And using built-in customization options, we can quickly adapt it to our design, right? Creating endless variations. And like they say, with the new updates, there are gonna be even more alternatives. And with that, we wrap this tutorial up. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, check my other tutorials, and see you in the next one.